Hi guys, welcome to this video. So I just watched the Eternals and there's one thing that took my interest. It's Thena, goddess of war. And not just because she's charming, I also like her weapon, which is kind of cool. But apparently Odinmakes already made her weapon and I managed to build her shield. Look, and it's glowing. Look at this. This is Make It Cheap. Okay, let's start from sketching. It looks like a two-dimension glowing shield and I'm going to simplify the design. This is the new design. If you need it, you can pause this video and take a screenshot. Now the next step is to make the frame of the shield and I'm going to use bamboo to make this frame. I know it's hard for some of you to find bamboo in your area, but you can use something else like aluminum wire. It's just like making a traditional kite. We usually make kite from bamboo like this. Small kite, medium-sized kite, even big-sized kite we usually use bamboo. You can watch this video if you want to see more about Balinese kite. Bamboo is so useful here in Bali. Well, the frame is almost done, so I just need to use aluminum wire to make the curve on this tip. Okay, the frame is done and this is the part that makes the shield glowing. EL wire. I got this EL wire about $1 for 3 meters of it and $1 for the driver inverter. This is how to set up the wire. First, you need to peel the wire to get the copper core and the corona wire. And then twist both corona wire and solder the wires to a connecting cable. If you want, you can also cover the soldering with a heat shrink tube. And finally, connect the wire to the inverter. This inverter powered by two AA batteries. This inverter is required for this build because you're gonna need an AC source to light up the wire. Directly connecting the wire to a DC source like batteries will not work. This inverter has 3 different effects. And that's it. That is pretty much how to set up this EL wire. I know it's a bit complicated. If you don't understand, you can just ask someone to help you. It's nothing wrong to ask for help, am I right? Alright, let's install this EL wire to the frame. Well, gluing the EL wire on the frame isn't that difficult, but the difficult part is connecting the copper core and the corona wire because it's just too small. You have to be careful, and I also use a hot glue to make it stronger and more secure. This inverter can light up to 3 meters of EL wire, but actually it can do more than that, but it will decrease the brightness of the EL wire. So it's better to use 3 meters less on one inverter for maximum brightness. This shield needs more or less 10 meters of EL wire, so I'm gonna use 3 inverter and divide the wire into 3 parts. You can copy this plan if you want, but sorry for the mess. Alright guys, so this shield is pretty cool, although it doesn't look pretty similar like in the movie. The reason I simplified the design is because I don't want to use too much of EL wire. I know that EL wire isn't that expensive, I just want to make sure that this project don't cost that much, so you can follow it. And this cables is kinda annoying. I just hope that this inverter could be smaller so we can attach it on the shield. But it's fine though. It doesn't noticeable in the dark. So what do you think about this project? If you like this project, please leave a like. If you don't like, just dislike, it's okay. Subscribe to see my next project in the future. And if you have any project ideas, just let me know in the comment down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next episode of Make It Cheap. As always, stay creative.